In this video, I'll show you how to add a neon love animation, a glowing reveal effect that gives your video a modern and romantic neon look. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is already placed on the timeline. Now, tap on the video clip you want to animate. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation. Next, switch to the In tab because this controls how the clip appears at the beginning. Scroll through the animations and look for Neon Love. Once applied, you'll see glowing neon style elements revealing the video. Use the duration slider to control the speed of the neon reveal. Faster feels energetic, while slower gives a smooth cinematic glow. Preview the animation and adjust it to match your edit. And that's it. You've successfully added a Neon Love reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut mobile animation tutorials.